If you want to learn how to remove or replace the light bulbs or light bulb clusters on the rear of a Toyota Yaris Cross, then check out this video. Hi there guys, welcome back to another one of my videos and welcome back to another video on the 2025 Toyota Yaris Cross. In this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace the light bulbs and the light bulb clusters on the rear of this car. Now a lot of the lights are actually LED. There is actually only 3 light bulbs found, and that is the indicator bulb just here. There's no bulbs found in there. There's just the reverse light bulb here, and then the other indicator bulb here. So for the 2 side ones it's the same. So we do need some tools to do this. We need a 10mm socket or spanner, and we need a pry tool as well, and it's relatively simple to do. We're just going to go ahead and open up our boot lid fully, and I'll just show you this one off first. So as you can see, just down here there's 2 10mm bolts. So we're just going to take them all the way out. And now this is a 2-handed job, so I'm going to need the help of a tripod. And now we can go ahead and actually take the light unit off. And it is a little bit tricky. You just pull it back like that to the back of the car, and then you can rotate it round. And you see that grey connector there? This is actually where our indicator bulb is found. So I'll just read out the product number there. This is a WY21W, and it is just a large style peanut bulb, and they just pull straight out like that. So it's much the same as found on the front of the car as well, which I've made a video on. So just if you're struggling to find this bulb, just take it down to your local parts supplier, make sure it's the right one, and then you can get your new one. Always make sure you wear gloves or use a rag, because you don't want the oils from your skin getting on the glass, because when the indicator starts lighting up, it gets hot, you'll heat the oil up and it can crack the glass. Once you've got your new one, just pop that straight back in, rotate it back round. Now this does only go in one direction, and then just give it that quarter turn to lock it in. Then we rotate the whole lighting unit back round, lining it up with the 2 locating pins, and then we push it back to the front of the car, and then we can go ahead and put our screws back in. And now that light unit's back on, and it is just the exact same process for this side as well, with the 2 10mm bolts just there. Now if you remember back to the start of the video, there is actually no bulbs found on the left hand side of this vehicle. They're all LEDs. But over to the right hand side there is just that one bulb there, which is your reverse light. And I'll show you how to get to that one just now. So we're actually going to look on the inside of the boot lid. We're going to get our pry tool or a screwdriver and just get that in there and take that cover plate off. And then just looking inside, you can actually see that grey connector. Same thing, you just can do a quarter turn and take that out. Now it's a slightly different peanut connector or peanut bulb connector on this one. So I believe this is a 16mm, so just looking at the part number, it's a W16W. So again, when you replace this, just make sure you have a cloth or some gloves on, and just take it down to your parts supplier if you're confused with which bulb to use. It just pulls straight out like the other one did. And when you put this one back, it does have one orientation, so just push that in, give it a turn, and then we're obviously going to put our cover plate back on, and then that's it, all done. That's how easy it is to replace all of the bulbs found on the rear of a Toyota Yaris Cross. This is a model from 2025. If you found this video interesting or helpful, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos, and subscribe to my channel.